In today's video, I'll teach you how to change profile pose in Roblox. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Roblox application. You can see over here I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now at left, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on this option, avatar. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the avatar interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find your profile picture. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to edit your profile picture. You can see over here, you'll be able to select an emote to pose your avatar. You'll be able to find various poses over here. Some poses will be free. For some poses, you'll have to spend the Robux. So simply click on the pose of your choice. Now once you do that, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to position the camera. You can also zoom and rotate. So if you want to zoom in, what you have to do is simply drag the slider to the left. Now you can see over here, the avatar will be zoomed in. Likewise, you can also rotate the avatar if you want. Drag the slider to the left or right according to your choice. Now after you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to preview the avatar. Click on the option save that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the profile pose will be changed. So that is how you change profile pose in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.